The internet is like a crowded city. Every move you make is tracked by advertisers, by your internet provider, sometimes even by governments. If you want privacy in that city, you need a disguise. That's where a VPN, virtual private network, comes in. So what is a VPN? A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of your traffic going directly to a website, it first goes to the VPN server. That server hides your real location and makes your browsing harder to trace. To your internet provider, it just looks like scrambled traffic. To websites, it looks like you're somewhere else entirely. Why do people use VPNs? For some, it's privacy, keeping internet providers or advertisers from building detailed profiles. For others, it's security, especially when using public Wi-Fi, like at airports or coffee shops, where hackers often lurk. VPNs can also unlock content, streaming shows not available in your country, or accessing websites that are blocked. But not all VPNs are equal. Free ones often sell your data or inject ads. That's why security experts recommend sticking to paid, reputable providers. So which VPNs stand out in 2025? Here are 3 of the best: NordVPN, strong security, fast speeds, and thousands of servers worldwide. Perfect for both privacy and streaming. ExpressVPN, known for reliability, ease of use, and consistently good performance across countries. Surfshark, affordable, with unlimited device connections and strong encryption. All 3 offer audited no-logs policies, meaning they don't store records of your browsing activity. Does everyone need a VPN? Not necessarily. But if you travel, use public Wi-Fi, or just value your privacy, a VPN is one of the easiest tools you can add to your security toolkit. In an age where your data is more valuable than oil, a VPN helps you keep control of it. Stay private. Stay secure. And subscribe to CyberLens for more tools and tactics to protect yourself online.